All right, it's Friday. Actually, it's Wednesday. It's time to fire it up because won't nobody be here Friday. Check this out. 1966 C20. We brought this truck back from out west. It's got a V8 in it. We looked it up. It says it's 327. It was an option. Old motor looks good. Where'd you get that?
Under the seat, sticking out.
You're kidding.
No.
You never know what you're gonna find. That's kind of neat. Do you know how to use it?
Why, yeah.
I'd like to hear some reveille.
Okay.
Hold on, let's crank this thing up. Hey, Calvin. Calvin.
Yeah.
You got that ignition switch ready? Let me hit. See what it'll do. Try that old gas. It's running on about 5 cylinders. But it is running. Hear it? Even idle. Uh-oh. I mean, you got to admit, this thing's been sitting for like at least 30 years. I imagine a tune-up. All right, so we need to get this thing into a tune-up. What do you think?
Yeah, probably see points, plugs, stuff, rotor button.
So tomorrow's Thanksgiving. You gonna eat good?
Oh, yeah.
I heard that. All right, we're gonna leave for now, but don't eat too much. I know I will. When I get back, I'm gonna go on dang Weight Watchers or Jenny Craig or something. So anyhow, let's hear some reveille.